Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got 2 days worth of growth and it is time for a shave. Today's shave soap is going to be by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is Atomic Tea Party. Now, I haven't shown this on the channel, but I purchased this last year, and as far as I know, no one's done a video on it. And yesterday, I had got the alert on the app that the, Tea Party 508 was released again. And so, if you like Atomic Bay Rum and or the Tea Party, this is a great blend of the two. So you kind of get that warm, sweet spiciness to it, and it is really a nice one for me. I do have it lathered up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl here. I used 1/4 teaspoon, and this one did not take as much water. I think it was more around the 10 milliliters. And if you guys know, or have you've looked at different soaps on the Phoenix Artisan page or on the app, sometimes there's this secret, super secret menu that you will not find this if you just go and scroll through. And I don't know if I should really tell you or not. But what I always do is I type the word mash and then I hit enter in the search bar, and it'll bring up different soaps that are combined together or mashed up. Don't tell anybody I told you. All right, so now the razor is going to be this stainless steel carbon razor, and it about slipped out of my fingers. I have that loaded up with a Gillette super thin blade. I want to warm the razor up. I've got a bowl full of hot water here, and let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. Oh yeah. Now this razor is a nice mild razor. Many people love it. And I just kind of wanted a mild shave today. And as always, the CK6 formula does well, provides a lot of slickness. And the scent on this, with the mashups, you don't have a matching splash. And so, oops, I don't want to go that way just yet. And so you're, you kind of have to use one or the other, or if you have both, you can do your own 50-50 or whatever you like of it. And for this one, I don't have either one of the scents. So I'm just going to be using an unscented splash today. I will say that this blade and razor combo is not my favorite. I kind of forgot that this particular razor doesn't fare too well with that blade, but it's okay. It's not, you know, anything to write home about, but it's a decent shave. You know, I've mentioned this in the past, but sometimes I buy a soap and I can't wait to use it, and I think about making a video with it, and I use it a couple times, and then I get sidetracked with other video ideas, and then I just skip right over it, and then it takes me a reminder of a release or something for it to come back out. And then I'm like, oh, you know what? I've Never did a video with that. And if I remember correctly, the Tea Party 508 is only available this weekend. So if that's a scent that you are interested in, with it being Sunday, you may want to act now or wait until next year. I just think it's fun to get the mashups and see what the different scents are. Because sometimes when you combine the two scents like that, you come up with a really unique flavor, so to say. And I feel like this one is just like that. I'm not really a big bay rum guy, you know, just a straight up bay rum. But when it's mixed, like with this or the bay gum, I kind of like that little bit of a sweeter note. And I think those two scent profiles work well together. So comment below and let me know, do you have the Tea Party 508, or is it 508 Tea Party? One of the two. Do you have that one? Comment below and let me know. While I'm doing that, or while you're doing that, I'm gonna go get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. I am back, and I almost had a video problem. I hit the record button and I thought it was recording because it made the sound. And then I got to looking, and luckily I seen, I'm going to use the Stirling Glacial. It's unscented. I seen that it wasn't actually recording. That would have been bad. I didn't get enough of that. Ooh, got close to my eyes. Then I'm going to follow that up with a little bit of star jelly. Sure seemed like a quick shave today for some reason. Maybe I just got right down to it and didn't do a whole lot of talking. All right, I'm going to put a picture right here of the items I used, and I love that menthol. I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.